Hello, my dear teachers and students. I am Rohit, and today we will learn about a Microsoft Teams. It is a virtual classroom applications, and teachers can use for live classes, sharing homeworks, and sharing screens as well as presentations, conferences. So today we will learn about how to install the Teams and log in it. So let's begin. First, we will open Google Play Stores. Then we will type Teams. So you can see on the top here is Microsoft Teams. Let's click on it and install. Let's wait. It's a 42.37 MB applications. You can install this application in your iOS as well as Windows phone. So let's wait. After installation, you can open. Just to open, and first screen will appear Microsoft Teams. Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a happier place for teams to work together. Now you can see on the bottom two buttons, that is sign in and sign up for free. You have to click on sign in. Now you will have a screen that's you have to enter your user ID provided by your admin. So you have to enter your user ID. Every students and teacher will have a separate user ID and password. So now you have to enter your user ID. Let's enter and click on sign in. Now after successful or correct user ID, you will get a screen for entering password. Just enter your password. Now after that, you have to click on sign in. If you are going to log in first time, then you have to change your password. So enter your current password. And just create a new password, whatever you want. Just I am going to create a new password. And afterward, just click on sign in. Password should be very unique. So let's enter again. So click on sign in. Once successfully change of password, you will get a first time a few instruction screens. Just you have to click on next, and last is got it. So afterward you will get your own dashboard. Here we have a lot of options. So how to operate it, we will learn these things in the next video. Thank you very much.